Hi students, welcome to Future Dr. Neet Academy for the problem solving session in physics. Neet Physics. Chapter we are going to discuss today is magnetism and matter. This is from chapter 5 of 12th standard. Let's move to first question. Question 1. A wire of length capital L in meter carrying a current of I in ampere is bent in the form of a circle. Its magnetic moment is its new magnetic moment we want to find in terms of I L value. Option A, I L square by 4 A M square. B option, I pi L square by 4 A M square. C option, 2 I L square by pi A M square. D option, I L square by 4 pi A M square. What is A M square? A M square is a unit of magnetic moment, expansion ampere into meter square. Let's move to question number 2. A bore magnet is hung by a thin cotton thread in a uniform horizontal magnetic field and is in equilibrium state. The energy required to rotate it by 60 degree is W. Now, the torque required to keep the magnet in its new position is dash. A option, W by root 3. B option, root 3 W. C option, root 3 W by 2. D option, 2 W by root 3. So here you want to find work done, new work done for the torque. Question number 3. A bore magnet of length L and a magnetic dipole moment M is bent in the form of an arc as shown in the figure. The new magnetic dipole moment will be dash. Option A, M, capital M. Option B, 3 by pi M. C option, 2 by pi M. Last option, M by 2. So you want to express magnetic dipole moment will be in original magnetic dipole moment. M is a magnetic moment. Next question, question number 4. A bore magnet of magnetic moment capital M is placed in a magnetic field of induction B. The torque exerted on it is dash. A option, M cross B. B option, minus M cross B. C option, M cross B. Last option, minus M cross B. Remember, here M and B as mentioned or denoted in bold. Bold letter represents what? That also we are going to discuss in the solution session. Next question, question number 5. Fifth question. At a point A on the Earth's surface, the angle of dip del equal to plus 25 degree. And at a point B on the Earth's surface, the angle of dip del equal to minus 25 degree. We can interpret that what? Option A. A is located in the southern hemisphere and B is located in the northern hemisphere. Option B. A is located in northern hemisphere and B is located in southern hemisphere. C option, A and B both are located in the southern hemisphere. Last option, A and B both are located in northern hemisphere. So based on delta value, we have to say whether it's north or south. Next question, question number 6. A vibration magnetometer placed in magnetic meridian as a small bore magnet. The magnet executes oscillation with a time period of 2 seconds in the Earth's horizontal magnetic field of 24 mu t. When a horizontal field of 18 mu t is produced opposite to the Earth's field by placing a current carrying wire, the new time period of a magnet will be dash. Here, what is that mu t? T is a unit of magnetic field. What is mu t? T is a Tesla, which is a unit of magnetic field. Mu t means micro Tesla. Micro Tesla equal to 10 power minus 6 Tesla. Okay. So new time period you want to find. Option A 1 second. Option B 2 second. Option C 3 second. Last option 4 second. Next we'll move to next question. Question number 7. According to Curie law, the magnetic susceptibility of a paramagnetic substance at an absolute temperature T is proportional to dash. Option A 1 by T square. B option T square. C option 1 by T. Last option T. That is, we know that is susceptibility is denoted by a symbol chi, and relation between susceptibility chi and absolute temperature T only we want to find out. That is the answer or solution for this question. Okay. So in next session we will see the solving, how to solve the problems for these 7 questions. Okay. Thank you.